Alrighty, YouTube, so hopefully by the name of this title of this video you guys know what exactly is going on. I'm going to install the ladder links to the exact Forester. The ones that are on here are from an Impreza. I don't know what year, but it is an older Impreza, so maybe like a GD or GC. It all happened because I had to do the swap for the rear disc brakes. Yes, that was a pain in the boot, but we got the good stuff correct, or hopefully it's the good stuff, because I purchased it from VIP Auto Wrecking and kind of just went in kind of blindly. So we're gonna take off the ones that are on the car and measure them, see if there's much of a difference on the ones that I purchased. So we'll get going because I can't do mechanic work here in my house, so we're gonna go somewhere else right now to do it. Okay, so we'll be back. So this is the difference between Impreza, Forester. Look how much, that's a good ½ inch wider, and that's been messing up my alignment forever. Now I don't know if those right there are the same size or not, but if they are, it's gonna save me a lot of hassle, because I thought it was gonna be really easy, but that right there is killing me right now. And if it's the same size, I'm done with it. I'm just putting everything back together and putting the Forester side, because this is really short, if you can't see. See the difference? And that's what's been messing up my alignment. So hopefully tomorrow I'm gonna go get an alignment after this is done. So we're gonna keep going. I hope you guys enjoy. Pretty much everything is the same way as you take it out. So it's a bunch of, so you need a 17mm, 2 of them at least, 19mm for the big bolt right here, the Jesus bolt. Both of those are 17mm on both sides, except that front one. That front one is like a 24, I believe. So that's only, so 17 and 17 on those bolts right there, and nuts. And then for my lug nuts, they're 17 as well. So it's not much to move along. But oh, one more thing. These ones right here, this one for the end links are 14s, and so, dude, no wonder my stuff bangs. Look at this. I gotta get those fixed. Cart boy, here we come. Cart boy is next up. But I'm gonna do this. If it lines up with the other lateral link, I'm not moving that one. So we're gonna install this real quick. I'm gonna have it in again in time-lapse mode, so enjoy, guys. All right, so the top ones are from an Impreza, this one's from the Forester. As you can see, it is a tad bit shorter, not much honestly, but it is enough to throw off the alignment, I suppose. They look literally identical, so we're gonna see. Okay, it looks good though, so we're gonna get going on the installation. That was a little biatch to put in, so the little bolt that I was struggling to take out, just lift up the differential just a tad bit and it'll come right out. But other than that, now it's gonna be simple. Thank you guys for watching. Give a like, comment down below, and subscribe. It'll help out the channel a lot. Honestly, just putting it back, so I just put this one in. It's very simple, just everything step by step backwards, and then there you go. I'm not gonna show the other side because it's the exact same thing. I'm probably gonna show you guys the alignment, because I'm gonna go get an alignment tomorrow. It's really gonna be off, badly off, so we're gonna go get an alignment tomorrow in the morning. So we're gonna go over there off of Main Street, and I'm gonna plug them. All right, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm not gonna end the video.